Hello, today in this module we're going to discuss how to manage all of the assignments that you have created throughout the school year and different marking periods, as well as how to use the calendar to help you identify when different assignments are due. So the first thing you need to do is log into Synergy. From this home screen, you're going to go to Gradebook, and you're going to come down to where it says Assignments. Now, this page allows you to organize your assignments based on content area. That's why when you're creating an assignment, you want to make sure that everything is checked to relate or be kind of tagged to that particular content area, so that when you're grading and you're looking at things, you're not looking at them all in homeroom, because if you do that, you won't be able to sort them based on your content area. So for instance, today I want to look at all of the reading assignments. So I'm going to come up here to my focus, select reading, and all of the reading assignments that I have created for the entire school year will be located here. I can click to show the periods, which are just the marking periods, or I can unclick it. I can have show 10 assignments per page or 50 assignments per page. Today I'm just going to focus on 10. I also can select by the particular standard in which I would like to look at. So if I am reteaching key ideas and details and I want to modify an assignment, all I do is select this different correlation, or this correlation that says key ideas and details, and all of the assignments that I have created here will appear. So if I wanted students to redo an assignment, I just select the assignment that I want to modify. I come over and I can change anything up here by using this row. So if I want to change the assignment date to October or September 13th, I can do that. I can select September 13th and then click the green button, and it will change everything that is selected over here to September 13th. I obviously want to change math to reading. I select the green button. I cannot change the rubric score. This is something that is standard. Remember, we are working with standards-based instruction, so we're not going to be using percentiles or letter grades, but instead only the rubric score, so I'm not going to change that. I want to make this an assessment, so I'm going to click my green arrow button. I can change the max score, the points possible, but again, we're not using percentages, so this is irrelevant. I can make this not for grading. If I want a student to redo it, I can not for grading. And remember, in standards-based grading, we do not use extra credit, so we don't need to use extra credit. And then if I want parents to see it, I can click in the portal. If I do not want them to see it, I just simply uncheck it. And once I'm done with that, things have been automatically changed. I don't have to do anything except come up here to where it says Save Changes. And once you see that this is not highlighted anymore and your Save Changes button is kind of grayed out, you know that all your changes were made. And that is how you use, one way that you can organize your assignments. You can also organize them by grading period. So this breaks everything down by which marking period it was graded or added in. If I wanted to add or change this assignment to a new marking period, say I wanted to use developing questions and I wanted to include it in the second marking period and the fourth marking period, I just simply click the two boxes under each category, under each marking period. I come up here and click Save Grading Periods. See that it has saved. You can log out. Well, by going to the calendar, you can organize your assignments this way. I can select different types of assignments that I have created, and then I can select the month in which they are created. So let's see if there's anything in September. Oh, I have a few in there. I can display the dates that are assigned. So as you can see on the actual assignment, I can display the points possible, and I can show all of the classes that have the actual assignment. So it really allows me to see as much detail as I want to about these assignments. If I click on this assignment, kind of hover over it rather, I can enter scores, I can edit an assignment, and I can create an assignment resource directly from here. So those are two different ways that you are able to manage your different assignments in your gradebook.